गोयाबरोबर देशभर 60 लाख सरकारी नोकऱ्यांची पदां रिती आसात। ती बरी नसतना केंद्र आणि राज्य सरकारान शिक्षित तरणाट्यांचो विश्वासघात केला। बेरोजगारीत गोय देशात दुसऱ्या क्रमांकार आसा म्हण काँग्रेसीचो राष्ट्रीय सरचिटणीस रणदीप सिंह सुरजेवाला उलयला। RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
Shocking data has now come out in public domain, post answers in both Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, and based on information collated from everywhere. And I'd like to just show you that chart. The callous cruelty of BJP towards India's and Goa's youth is that 30 lakh jobs, please mark this figure, are now vacant in Government of India, public sector undertakings, and Government of India affiliated bodies. 30 lakh jobs are lying vacant. And another 30 lakh jobs are now lying vacant in the states. And these are not private jobs, these are government jobs. 60 lakh jobs in this country are lying vacant. And I'm sending you this chart. It gives you a breakup of where these jobs are vacant. For GOI and 30 lakh, then I've added that figure. It's shocking. What is even more shocking is that nearly 1,22,000 jobs are lying vacant in the three armed forces and police and CAPF. Whether it's teachers, whether it's primary education, whether it's health services, whether it's central government departments, whether it is PSUs, whether it is other bodies, 60 lakh government jobs are not being filled. I want to tell the Goan youth, it is the responsibility of Narendra Modi and Pramod Sawant. They are the ones who are eclipsing your future.